Hi, this is Tux. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to make carrot, apple, and ginger juice. So stay tuned and enjoy the video. For this recipe, I'll be using carrots, apple, ginger, and one lemon just to balance the taste. And the ratio of carrot to apple use is 2 to 1. This juice recipe is usually nicknamed the immune shot recipe. This is due to its richness in vitamin, antioxidants, and immune boosting properties. So to get started, you rinse your fruit and peel your ginger and carrots. After peeling, cut into smaller pieces. This will make the juicing easier. Load onto your juicer. It's usually easier making your own juice by yourself. And a warm welcome to everyone watching my video for the first time. My name is Tox, and on this channel I upload healthy and yummy recipes. So ensure you subscribe and click the notification bell so that you can be notified each time I post new video. Would you like to see more healthy juice recipe? Let me know in the comment section. And that will be all for today. Do not forget to like the video, share and comment. See you some other time.